Hello guys, welcome to Kumar Consulting. So guys, now once again in this session, we are going to talk about this account editing option itself. This is the second part, and here once again, we'll talk about a different requirement. So look at the requirement, and then I'll let you know how it is going to be met with the help of account editing option itself. So as I have already explained in the previous session, editing option is having several control guys. Okay, lots of controls are there. Now you just look at here, the requirement is parking should be possible only for a complete document. There's the requirement. Now so we'll do one thing. I'll show you guys practically what is the requirement. uh, Use transaction code FB60. We are going to post an invoice. So now here, let's suppose, okay, so now park and post concept is here. This is called dual verification also guys, and if any of you is, let's suppose, not having much idea about what is this park and post concepts and all, then I have already uploaded one video and on my channel itself, old document and park document. Even the link I'm going to give at the end of the video, you'll be having that, so you can watch that. Now let me do one thing guys. I'll just let you know what is the requirement here. Now say for example, so whatever the informations I have given, this is just a half informations. It means this is not a complete document. But still, if you want to park, okay, let's suppose if you want to park it, then easily system is going to allow us. You click on park document. Look at here guys, document 1010 is parked. But this is incomplete document. Why? Because only credit side we have entered, whereas the debit side was still remain. So now whoever is like, let's suppose people is or person or user is going to post this document. Now that user has to what to say, give this all whatever the debit detail is there, GL account amounts and other things. Whereas the major objective of the park and post concept is, let's suppose one user is going to give all the full details, whatever the required details are there to post a document, and instead of posting it, that user is going to park this document. It means for temporary basis it has been saved somewhere. Now the second user is going to re-verify, and if any let's suppose missing informations are there, then that is going to be given by the second user, and then finally it is going to be posted. So this is called a dual verification concept guys. Here dual in the sense twice the same document is going to be verified in order to minimize the possibility of any sort of mistake. But here what is happening guys, only credit informations has been given by user, and this debit informations is not given. So this is not at all a complete document, right? So now what is happening? So that's what I have specified here, that parking should be possible only for a complete document, in the sense debit and credit must be there. So for that what we have to do guys, again you come here, either you can click on editing options, or we are having a transaction code also FB00. By that also you can go to account editing options. You just click on here itself, and here we are having again another checkbox somewhere. Okay, document must be completed for parking. If you apply a check mark and just save it, and now let's see what is the impact. Click on back button. Now we'll do one thing, just use slash and FB60 once again, so that the screen will be refreshed. Now here guys, look at here. Now the first thing, if you have a look here, now there is no parking option guys. Parking option has been gone. Then how we are going to park this document, that I'll let you know. Now here, first of all, give your vendor number, invoice date, and let's suppose amount. Okay, so now here park option is not there. What you have to do, we are going to click on save as completed. But if you click on save as completed here, system is not going to allow, because posting is only possible with zero balance. It means only credit informations we have given, guys. Now debit information also supposed to be given, then only system is going to accept this, right? Now, so we have given all the details. Now if you click on document and click on save as completed, then look at here, guys, you'll be getting message. An entry is required and somebody has made some experiment, guys. Just let me do one thing. I'll just enter one business area here. Okay, let me select anyone, and once again I'll click on save as completed. Look at here, guys, document 1011 was parked. 1011 was parked. Now here, so this is how what will happen. Now use transaction code /NFV60 and press enter. Okay, so FV60 means now we are going to post the parked document. So click on here and select parked document. So previous one means 1011 has been parked, and look at here, fiscal year we are going to give 2019. Press enter. So everything is perfect, right? Here debit amount is also there, credit amount is also there. Let's suppose we found that small thing is missing, like let's suppose this text narration is missing, right? So that has been given by the user and it is going to be posted, right? So this is what the use of this checkbox, guys. Or else if you have a look on the, again click on select park document, and we had the previous one, incomplete document, right? This incomplete document 2009. Incomplete means, look at here, only credit is there, debit was, entire details are missing, right? So whoever the second user is there has to give this entire details. So in order to avoid, it means like if you talk about any document, guys, that document or transactions must be having debit and credit both supposed to be there. Debit side and credit side, both sides supposed to be there. But here only credit has been given. Where is the debit? Debit is complete debit. Details are missing. So that's what we have applied. Setting here that document while parking, there should be, document must be completed. Must be completed in the sense like credit side we have given, debit side also must be there. Okay, so what we have to do for that? We have to apply a check mark here. Document must be complete for parking. Okay, before car parking, what will happen, guys? Here the differences must be 0. This is the major objective. So this is how it's going to be controlled, guys. That's all in this session, guys, and see you soon with a new topic in the next video. So till then, just bye bye, and that's all, guys.